Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, ayun, kaka-open lang natin ng YouTube sa TV, no? Okay, naka-intro na siya. Kanina, while I was working, may nakita akong another P-pop group. Pero nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. So, ang naalala ko lang is my letters and my numbers. Sinesearch ko siya sa YouTube. I don't know how I'm gonna find it, but I'll look for it. Kasi may bago silang release na song. Ito na nga, ayan na, speaking of. It's 1621 BC. Saan nila nakuha yung name? But, it was posted one day ago, and so, which means yesterday yon. And title is Bagamundo. And they have a music video. So, guess what? Ano pa bang hinihintay natin? Walang patumpik-tumpik pa. Okay, my Tagalog is everywhere. OMG, it looks like Star Magic sila. So, mataas masyado yung expectations natin dito. Let's give it a try. Diyos ko, alas 12 na. Maganda siya. Maganda. Hello! Very Filipino yung vibes. It's giving Kalye Serie, tapos may mga pogi sa daan. Ganong vibes. Wala akong maintindihan sa lyrics kasi masyado ako nakafocus sa beat, you know? Galing ng producer, ha? Bakit niya pwede? Natatanong ng aking mente. Hala, nagpupumili. Pasado alas 9. Ang cute! Para nga sila yung mga tambay. Pero alam ko yung mga tambay talaga, sila pa yung laging masiyahin, parang walang problema sa mundo, pero nabubuhay talaga, ang galing. Masyado pang maaga para umuwi, nagsisimula pa lang aking gabi, hala, sige. We got rap over here, as usual. Syempre, may rap dito. Expected yan sa mga Filipino groups, no? Parang High School Musical was. Tumutulo yung laway ko. Bagamundo. What does Bagamundo mean? I don't know. Yung Asta, this guy is like Asta ni Josh Collins. Tapos, medyo may pagkahawig ng Very Light din. Ang cute nito! It's so cute! He is cutie. Ang ganda ng bridge nila. Yung bridge ng song. Parang, it's the fire. Ganon. Very airy. Tapos biglang, Bagamundo. Ganon. Ganon atake. Pakinggan niya. Very airy. Diba? Very airy. See? Bagamundo. Wait. My gosh, my dance craze pala. Di ako masyadong focus. Ay, nako. Pero I am rooting for their not the performance video, but yung choreo, yung practice video nila. For that, for sure, magre-react ako sa video na yun. Kasi I'm into dance. I'm into dancing, y'all. I used to be a dancer nung, not in college kasi. Medyo naglilo ako doon. Nung high school. Oh my goodness. Ay! Let's keep going. I think I am not sure kasi I have to rewatch this many times. I'm trying to figure out kung sino yung parang lead dancer nila and yung main dancer nila. Parang yung I don't know if he's the lead. It looks like a lead to me. Yung nasa gitna. Or main. Kasi pwede rin siyang main dancer kasi nasa gitna siya. Let's see. Ay! Magaling din yung nasa unahan talaga yung nasa right. Siya, magaling sila lahat. Magaling sila lahat. Who is that? I wanna know sino yung bosses na yan. Hey! Hey! Ganun. May pakulat si Master. Sino ta? Okay. Tapos na. Tapos na! Okay, let's see. ABS-CBN nga siya. Let's all read. So it's JM, Asif, Pan Roses, Minx Aguaviva, JC Ledesma, Win Buenafe, and DJ Villaver. Oh, okay. Sila yung naka-line up. Sabi kong yung cutie pie is, I think, yung si JC Ledesma. Yung kamukha ni Josh Cullen was DJ Villaver. Hindi ko sila masyadong makikilala ng I'm so bad with names. You guys have no idea kung paano ko man lang na-remember yung pangalan ng SB19 one by one. Oh my goodness, it took me some time. I am into P-pop, but I'm really bad with names. Kahit yung Beanie, ilan sila? 8. It took me some time to remember all their names. Anyway, please stream yung bagong music ng 1621 BC. I wonder, please comment down below what does it mean. I have no idea. I just literally saw this music video earlier nung nasa trabaho ko. Please comment down below kung paano nabuo tong group or saan nila nakuha yung 1621. Is that how you read it? Or 1621 BC? Lord help me. If you guys are new here, welcome to my diary of Dibs. Here we just stand, we support our Filipino talents. That's what we do. So if it's your first time here on this page or in this account, this is what I do. I do this for fun. I love supporting our Filipino talents. They deserve all the love from Filipinos. Wala, ganito lang talaga ako. Fangirling lang talaga tong aking account. That's what's been happening lately. Yeah, we're talking about Bagamundo, and yeah, please stream on their music video and let's support P-pop Prize. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe so we can fangirl together or fanboy.